I found the solution. The guy who commented on my YouTube video, thank you. It worked. This app right here, Super VPN. I downloaded it, and you you turn it on. I did the free version. I didn't pay, and it went to the Samsung store, and it's working. I don't know if I can go to my one account that was blocked. This is my secondary account, so I'm still stuck in the beta mode. But see, now my Galaxy Store is working, and it let me found my old uh, theme from the second account that didn't merge with my first account, the I Love God Overall at gmail.com, and then Mr. Smith 316, that's my second account. Yeah, updates, Samsung Gallery. I'm gonna update. There's 3 updates now. Now I got the updates are working. Let's see, customization service. Based on the information obtained about you and the use of your services. Including customized content and recommendations based on your information obtained about you and your use of service. Customize service by supporting your desires and needs in a smart and intelligent manner. Samsung's customization service provides an enhanced user. Well, so far for 2 years, if you remember the problem, it's the 3rd video. I've been banned from Samsung members only using my main account. Which I might try logging into now to see what happens. Let's go to Gmail. Let's try this one. Nope, see? It won't let me do my I Love God Overall one. I'm still blocked, permanently banned on that one. So still the issue here, but the Samsung, the Galaxy Store is working, but yeah. Let me go to Samsung members. Yeah, One UI beta servers aren't available because your Samsung account has changed. Let me see. Yeah, so I'm having trouble with that. Settings. See, Alright, so now let's go try to... Hold on, I'm gonna try to see if the members works now. Or maybe I might have to restart the phone. I'm trying to fit it all in one video, sorry guys. You have been permanently banned from this. That's what I'm talking about. Because, see? So it's like... So, I'm having... So it's like I have no choice. Alright, I'm gonna stop this.